just an average man with an average life. I work from 9 to 5, hey, and I pay the price. All I want is to be left alone in my average home. But why do I always feel like I'm in the twilight zone? And I always feel like somebody's watching me, and I have no privacy. Oh, whoa. I always feel like somebody's watching me. Tell me, is it just a dream? When I